And what was the conclusion? My dear students, after thinking a lot, what was the conclusion? She was never going to stand by and say nothing again. What she has decided, उसको ये गिल्टी फील हो रही थी कि जब भी वेंडा से पैगी कोई भी क्वेश्चन उसके ड्रेसेस के बारे में या उसके नेम के बारे में पूछा करती थी तो ये कुछ नहीं बोल सकी. इवन शी कुड नॉट फॉरबेड, कुड नॉट अपोज पैगी not to do such kind of things which can hurt others, and she kept standing by her. मतलब एक तरह से उसके सपोर्ट में ही खड़ी रही. So that's why after thinking a lot today she decided that she is not going to stand by such kind type of people who make fun of others. Means she will oppose if something is going wrong around her. If she ever heard anybody picking on someone because they were funny looking or because they had strange names, she would speak up. And she decided that in future if anybody picking on someone, अगर कोई किसी का मजाक उड़ाता है, if someone treating with another one unkindly, unfairly, criticizing them, किस कारण से? Whether appearance is not good, means look is not good, look is funny, or their face is not good, their name is strange, she would speak up. तो डेफिनेटली वो बोलेगी एंड वो क्या करेगी? अपोज करेगी ऐसे लोगों का जो दूसरों का मजाक उड़ाते हैं, चाहे किसी भी कारण से. इवन इफ इट मींट लूजिंग पैगीज फ्रेंडशिप, चाहे इसके लिए उसको पैगी की फ्रेंडशिप ही क्यों ना तोड़नी पड़े. She had no way of making things right with Vanda, but from now on she would never make anybody else that unhappy again. भले ही अब उसके पास वेंडा के साथ वो कुछ चीज़ें कर नहीं सकती, वो वेंडा से मिल नहीं सकती because she is not there. She cannot make the right things with Vanda now because she is not there. But she came to an conclusion that in future, today onward, she will not tolerate anybody is doing unfair with anybody and making unhappy to someone. She will not bear it, she will not tolerate it and will oppose strictly. On Saturday, Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. On Saturday को क्या हुआ? Maddie और Peggy, they spent their time together. They were writing a letter to Vanda Petronsky. Means they both were writing a letter. It was just a friendly letter telling about the contest and telling Vanda she had won. Means उन्होंने एक लेटर फ्रेंडशिप, उनको भी दोनों को अब फील होने लगा कि this whatever they did was wrong, and that's why they are writing a friendly letter to Vanda telling her that she has won the contest, and they wanted to tell her, they told her how pretty her drawings were. Means उन्होंने बताया कि जो भी ड्राइंग्स तुमने बनाई है वो बहुत सुंदर थी and you have won the contest. They have written this letter. These words are there for Vanda, and they asked her if she liked where she was living and if she liked her new teacher. They are also asking through the letter that did Vanda like the new place where she is living, or did she like the new teacher. They had meant to say they were sorry. उनका कहने का एकमात्र मतलब यह था कि उनको बहुत दुख है कि जो कुछ भी उन्होंने किया. But it ended up with their just writing a friendly letter. But it ended up with their just writing a friendly letter, the kind they would have written to any good friend. Means ये सिर्फ एक ऐसा लेटर था जो कोई अच्छा दोस्त अपने दोस्त को लिखता है, and they signed it with lots of X's for love. means to show their love towards Venda, they wrote many X's. They mailed the letter to Boggins Heights, writing please forward on the envelope. जैसा कि बॉगिन्स हाइट से वेंडा और उसकी फैमिली जा चुके थे, तो उन्होंने ये उस पर बॉगिन्स हाइट का लेटर लिखा, का एड्रेस लिखा, एंड उसके साथ ये भी लिखा कि प्लीज फॉरवर्ड इट. फॉरवर्ड इट मीन्स कि जो पोस्टमास्टर है और पोस्टमैन है वो उनको पता होगा कि वेंडा की फैमिली ने कहां मूव किया है, उनका नया एड्रेस क्या होगा. सो दैट्स वाई दे कुड सेंड दैट लेटर टू हर न्यू एड्रेस, एंड दैट्स वाई दे रोट ऑन द एनवेलप प्लीज फॉरवर्ड. Days passed and there was no answer, but the letter did not come back. So maybe Venda had received it. बहुत सारे दिन गुजर गए, but there was no answer. Letter did not come back. Letter did not come back, it means there should be two reasons. First, it has been received by Venda. Perhaps she was so hurt and angry she was not going to answer. और ये भी हो सकता है कि शायद वो बहुत नाराज हो, उसके मन में बहुत दुख हो, इस बात को लेके गुस्सा हो, वो बहुत हर्ट थी, दैट्स वाई उसने कोई आंसर ना लिखा हो. यू कुड नॉट ब्लेम हर, यू कुड नॉट ब्लेम हर, उसके ऊपर ब्लेम नहीं किया जा सकता इसके लिए. वीक्स वेंट ऑन एंड स्टिल वेंडा डिड नॉट आंसर. मीन्स आफ्टर मेनी वीक्स देयर वॉज नो आंसर फ्रॉम वेंडा. Peggy had begun to forget the whole business. Meanwhile, what happened? Peggy forgot everything, and Maddie put herself to sleep at night making speeches about Venda. Means Maddie जो थी उसको बहुत फर्क पड़ता था, अभी भी वो सारी चीजें भूली नहीं थी. She did not forgot, and all night while before going to bed, she used to make speeches about Venda, defending her from great crowds of girls who were trying to tease her with. मतलब उसको ऐसी फीलिंग होती थी, इमेजिनेशंस आती थी that many girls have encircled Venda. They are asking questions to her, but she is trying to save her. How many dresses have you got? Means these questions are being asked by girls इन इमेजिनेशन. ये सारी इमेजिनेशन हो रही है मैडी की कि ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है. एंड बिफोर वेंडा कुड प्रेस हर लिप्स टुगेदर इन अ टाइट लाइन, इससे पहले कि वेंडा अपने लिप्स को इमोशनल होके लिप्स को टाइट कर ले, वो थोड़ी सी इमोशनल हो जाए, रोने वाली हो. द वे शी डिड बिफोर आंसरिंग, जिस तरीके से वो जवाब दिया करते, दिस वॉज द आंसर, दिस वॉज द वे Venda used to answer. Maddie would cry out, "Stop!" Then everybody would feel ashamed the way she used to feel. मतलब वो सारी इमेजिनेशन में ऐसा लगता है कि वो वेंडा को सारी लड़कियां तंग कर रही हैं, उससे क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हैं, हाउ मेनी ड्रेसेस यू हैव गॉट. और जब वो एकदम से परेशान हो जाती है तब उसी समय वेंडा वहां आ जाती है और सबको कहती है स्टॉप. एंड उन सबको बहुत शर्मिंदगी होती है. शी यूज्ड टू फील, ऐसी उसको फीलिंग होती थी. बट पैगी, शी फॉरगॉट एवरीथिंग, शी डिड नॉट बोदर अबाउट. नाउ इट वॉज क्रिसमस टाइम एंड देयर वॉज स्नो ऑन द ग्राउंड. ये क्रिसमस का समय चल रहा है और ग्राउंड पे खूब सारी स्नो गिरी हुई है, बर्फ गिरी हुई है. क्रिसमस बॉल्स एंड स्मॉल ट्रीज डेकोरेटेड द क्लासरूम. Means their class has been decorated with bells, Christmas bells and small trees, Christmas trees. On the last day of school before holidays, the teacher showed the class a letter she had received that morning. On last day means before Christmas holidays start, their teacher showed a letter she received that morning. उसी सुबह उनको उसके टीचर को एक लेटर रिसीव हुआ था, वो उन्होंने क्लास को दिखाया. एंड यू कैन इमेजिन whose letter it would have been. So we will read in next paragraph.